Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix the remote device or resource won't accept the connection in Windows. Type Internet options in Windows search bar. Click Internet options. Click Connections tab. Click LAN settings. Uncheck Use a proxy server for your LAN. Check Automatically Detect settings. Click OK, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.